A very good afternoon to you. This is a Tech Guru, where we look at all things technical. Today we're going to be looking at the Roku remote control and why it's not working, i.e. how to fix the Roku remote issues. As you can see here in front of me, I'm going to demonstrate this using a Roku 2 XS box here and the Roku controller that comes with it. I mean, there's various reasons for the Roku remote not working, and what I've found is on pretty much every occasion it's to do with the actual the pairing of the remote to the actual box itself. So what I'll do is I'll be demonstrating that in a moment, how to actually pair the remote control with the Roku box. It's a really simple process, but obviously if it's sort of not done properly, or if you don't know how to do it, it makes a big difference, i.e. you can't use the box. So I'll go on to demonstrate that shortly. By the way, if you like what you're seeing today, give us a like, and please, if you want to see any future related, tech related videos similar to this one today, related to tech, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. We'll now go on to demonstrate actually pairing the remote control with the box here in a moment. Okay, so I now go ahead and demonstrate how to actually pair the remote control. There'll also be some information on screen which you'll see, which actually guides you through how to do this. A really straightforward process. Obviously, some of you, the remote control may not be working and needs pairing, so you won't be able to obviously look at it on the screen, but it will be good for the future as well, but at least it will help you. So, just step out of the shot. So, if we get the Roku home screen up, which you can see here, if we scroll down to settings, we can see various options here, and one of the settings we can actually see is the remote. Okay, so if you scroll down to that, actually go to pair remote. And by the way, whilst you're here, you can actually see the battery level as well. Obviously not very good on the remote control at the minute, it's 1%. But if you go to pair remote and select OK on the control, it will actually tell you how to go about doing this. It says to pair a new Roku announced remote with your Roku player or the remote control. Basically open the remote battery compartment at the back and locate the pairing button and press and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds. And then obviously it says if it's not responding. So I'll show you the remote now how to do this. So as you can see here, they've got the Roku remote control. So if we turn it over, push the little button at the top there to remove the sleeve at the bottom. Okay, so if we, as it says, open the remote control battery compartment and locate the pairing button's here, this purple one. Okay, and then if we press and hold it for 3 seconds, so press 1, 2, 3, you'll also see the lights flashing here. Now that's a good sign because that means it's actually paired. So that's it, as simple as that really. So if we put the compartment back on, as you can see here, you can now see it's working again. So it's as simple as that really with you. But one thing to note here is if the remote control is not responding, make sure it's compatible with the player model. Obviously that's something to look at as well. And then press back on the existing remote control and obviously try the process again. So just really wanted to demonstrate one of the reasons why Roku remote control is not working and how to sort of fix the remote issues. As I said to you, the issues that I've had are mainly down to the pairing issue previously. So hope that's been useful. Pretty straightforward, but obviously straightforward things sometimes sort of often overlooked. So I hope that's really helped you today. As I said earlier, if you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button, and obviously don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, for future tech related videos in the future. But for now, thanks for watching and catch you again soon. Bye bye for now.